This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set the slideshow timing for your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint. I have Microsoft PowerPoint opened up. I have a little example presentation here. Say that I wanted each of my slides to last for about 3 seconds and then automatically change to the next slide. The way to do that, go up to the top up here, up to the Transitions tab, click on Transitions. Then on the ribbon, you want to go off to the far right, down to where it says Advanced Slide. By default, it's probably on mouse click. As you can see, that is enabled on mouse click. You want to uncheck that, and you want to check the bottom one, After. And say I wanted each of my slides to last for 3 seconds. I'm going to use these arrows here to go up to 3 seconds. That right there is 3 seconds. Now, if I wanted this to be on all of my slides, I would go off to the left here and click on Apply to All. Now, when I go to slide 2, as you can see, it's still on 3 seconds. Say that I wanted slide 4 to last for 5 seconds, but the rest of them to last for 3 seconds. I'm going to select that slide. I'm going to select slide 4. Then I'm going to go up to the top, and I'm going to change this one to 5 seconds. So now all of the slides except for this slide will last 3 seconds. This slide will last for 5 seconds. And for this one, I don't want to click on Apply to All because that would apply 5 seconds to all slides. Now when I go up to the top up here and I play my slideshow from the beginning, each one will last for 3 seconds, except for the fourth one will last for 5 seconds. That is how to set the timing for your slideshow presentation in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.